Imran had just had Jaane Tu before Delhi Belly, right? So everywhere we shot, 3,000 mad young girls. Imran. I had come out Ganja, right? And you just see the girls go. And then they'd look at my body and be like, "ये villain होगा, you know."
ये घर का हाँ ये 2 स्टोरी कंस्ट्रक्ट कर दे। मैंने कहा ये महंगी नहीं हो रही पिक्चर पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे ना भी लुक्ड एट मी लाइक ये कौन गरीब है ये कहाँ से आएगा क्या ये
Hello, I'm Veer and this is Akshat and this is Abhinay, the writer and director of Delhi Belly. I played Aroop and we are here to talk about this wonderful film and break down a scene and reminisce. And here we go, action.
ये कौन?
ताशी.
तू है ताशी.
Yeah, who the fuck are you?
ओ बैरिस्टर विनोद, सवाल जवाब का डिपार्टमेंट सिर्फ मेरा है. तू ठंड रख थोड़ी.
You know, for the first time while watching this, I've realized that you have a perfectly round, bald head.
Except I've got a depression in the back of it.
In the back.
That I have to, which is not in
Which
this.
luckily can't be seen.
Imran had just had Jaane Tu before Delhi Belly, right? So everywhere we shot, 3,000 mad young girls.
एक बार मिलवा दो
We're sharing a van,
Yeah.
right? So the van door would open. Imran. I had come out Ganja, right? And you just see the girls go. And then they'd look at my body and be like, "ये villain होगा, you know."
तू ताशी नहीं है.
मैंने बताया था ना सर. मैं नीचे उतर जाऊं.
मेरा पैकेज कहाँ है?
पैकेज
पर तू अलग मजे ले रहा है. बस बे ओ लोड़ू.
I don't know whether you know this from the behind the scenes. While you were hanging right now, you didn't have a harness.
so if your foot had slipped
Yeah, I would have gotten one.
And I told him, I said, थोड़ा अगर stool वूल कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया shoot में, Vijay Raj hits the stool or something like that, you're going to have a problem.
And
He
Alan
said,
se would have said,
"Nothing."
हाँ, sorry बोल
Sorry
देंगे.
बोल देंगे.
सोनिया नाम की लड़की ने तुझे एक पैकेज दिया था. वो पैकेज कहाँ है?
पता नहीं.
अच्छा.
जिसने पैकेट ड्रॉप किया था उससे पूछ ले. वो यहाँ नहीं है.
बैंचोद. मजाक हो रहा है यहाँ?
No, he's right. मैंने ड्रॉप किया था.
तूने ड्रॉप किया? ये तो कह रहा तू यहाँ ही नहीं. लगता तुम्हारी तो और बजानी पड़ेगी.
सर मेरी बात सुनिए. He gave it to someone to drop it off and that guy he gave it to me to.
नहीं एक मिनट. तू ताशी ने ये इसे पैकेज मिला, इसने किसी और को दिया, उसने तुझे दिया, फिर तूने ड्रॉप किया.
Yeah.
फिर तू पहले क्यों नहीं बोला?
you know this is designed as a small indie film
Yeah.
छोटे बजट में बनाएंगे तो अभी ने कहता है पहले तो होटल रूम ना मिल नहीं रहा है कोई अच्छा कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं और फिर ये घर का हाँ ये 2 स्टोरी कंस्ट्रक्ट कर दे. मैंने कहा ये महंगी नहीं हो रही पिक्चर पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे ना भी लुक्ड एट मी लाइक ये कौन गरीब है ये कहाँ से आएगा क्या ये.
What I love about this scene, like my favorite tone of comedy is a conversation that doesn't parallel the circumstances. It's such a high stakes circumstance and setting
Yeah.
with such chilled out dialogue. You know what I mean? And
I mean
very
you're just
like-
ignoring the possibility
yeah,
of death.
exactly.
सर आपने पूछा नहीं.
चल अभी पूछता हूँ. बता कहाँ है?
I dropped it off at this place shop. Indian handicrafts या कुछ था.
इंडियन हैंडीक्राफ्ट में तूने डब्बा भर के टट्टी भेजी थी. पैकेज कहाँ है मेरा?
नहीं सर टट्टी. Really? Are you sure?
Am I sure?
No, you're probably right. You're probably right. हाँ, you're absolutely right. There must have been a mix-up.
Mix-up?
No,
बैंड चोद! अगर एक बार और पूछना पड़ा ना बेटा, समझ ले तू टपक गया. पैकेज.
Doctor, it's at the doctor's office. Please.
इस बंदे के बारे में क्या जानते हो तुम लोग?
Nothing. He's dead. Sir, अब मैं नीचे उतर जाऊं?
भाई वो तो मुझे भी पता है इस डैड. लेकिन ये सब फूल पत्ती की कलाकारी कहाँ से आई भाई?
You know, sir, if I could just get down, मैं आपके सारे questions answer. My roommate took them.
ये
नहीं, मेरा दूसरा रूममेट, इसका फोटोग्राफर.
इसका फोटोग्राफर? अबे चूतिए शहर में इसके लिए मुर्दों की फोटो खींचते फिरते हैं.
नहीं सर, एक्चुअली ये एक जर्नलिस्ट है.
हे गाइस, और आप होंगे फोटो जर्नलिस्ट. आइए. अरे आप ही का तो इंतजार हो रहा भैया. कहाँ था बे? हाँ, अब आप अपनी तशरीफ की टोकरी उधर पार्किंग में लगा दो. चलो. फर्स्ट क्लास. वेरी गुड. खत्म कर भाई.
खत्म करो. Why you got everything you want?
राजा, अबे शोर में घंटा सुनाई नहीं देने वाला. खोल देता हूँ.
मदद करो. अरे बच्चे को मदद करो. संभल. You guys had cement in your, well, not in your hair. Your head was shaved. Imran and Kunal.
For a few
But
weeks.
in
And continuity, you had to have cement in your hair. Yeah.
with Q-tips in our nostrils and ears, just pulling out cement, man.
I'm sorry, man.
Which is, yeah. You are lucky I didn't have kids, because you would have found out the effect of my cement.
Asbestos damage.
One
बच्चे के दो टांग दो हाथ है ना, लेकिन पता नहीं कुछ और यहाँ से निकल.
ICI Dulux would have come out. Bachcha. Great frame. But this sequence was, this was Film City, no?
This is Film City. No,
Then we
this
cut to-
shot
This
right
is
now,
Delhi. This is
Delhi.
Subhash Nagar, Delhi.
This is Delhi, yeah, I remember.
No, this is movie magic, man, which is literally, we are cutting from Film City, Goregaon to Delhi, I think.
Outside Subhash Nagar, this thing, you and me getting into a bit of an argument.
Oh, yeah?
I'll tell you
Here?
this, yeah, I'll tell you why. Because my hands were tied, right? And
Oh yeah, you're running in.
I was running, right? And so for me, the comedic this thing was, so I'm running, and I was like, Abhinay, let me do one larger, right?
Yeah.
And you're like, no, don't do one larger, this thing, and I was like, I need one larger,
So there's
trust me, it'll be
one
damn
big-
funny,
yeah.
right?
I remember that take.
Then my plan was,
you do a double take
you know,
on the scooter.
70% jayega.
Yeah.
But after action, I went 170%. I'm like,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
one. One Marx Brothers type
And-
running happened, etc.
And by the way, that was one shot that I think I hadn't put because
Huh.
I didn't like that. You know,
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
and I hadn't put it in the edit. Finally, that's what made it to the edit.
Arup! Come on, man. Come on. Come on, get up, get up. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Listen. Come on, come on, come on.
Good lord.
Oh God.
The one thing I remember very clearly, and I don't know if you guys have felt it since or not. I felt it maybe a little bit of, on a few projects, but sometimes in a project there is a collective feeling of we're getting away with this.
Yeah. Oh.
Do you know what I mean? Ki somebody let us make this. You know what I mean? Abhi just keep your mouth
shut and
Don't
just
tell anyone.
जब तक
And
pack up नहीं हो जाता है,
yeah,
लगे
and
रहो.
let's quietly make this, because chances are we will never be given this kind of freedom ever again in our career. You know, that collective consciousness. And I'm saying, like, gaffer to caterer to art department, I've only experienced it maybe once or twice more on a project where everybody's like, yo, you don't, this is not normal.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't get to do this. I can't imagine what it was like for you guys making this. Yeah. Just
Yeah,
the,
man, it was
the
an
shit show that it would have been.
Well, the
to-
interesting thing, I mean, I think everything that could go wrong and everything that could go right
Yeah, all
happened on this film.
Some of the, without taking any names, some of the leading big daddies of filmmaking today, which even Amir kind of respects their point of view, they came in and said, kill it.
Which is why you gotta appreciate a producer who has faith,
Yeah.
knows his mind.
He's like a bastion of conviction.
He wanted it to come out as it was meant to, you know, and
True.
and that is rare, man. You can, you know, you get lucky.
I got a call from him 2 years after we made the movie. And he calls you like he talks to you every day. Veer. I'm like, you're like, you stand up on the, he's like, yeah, film's damn good, huh? You're fabulous in the movie. And I'm like, sir, you have made Talash, 3 Idiots, all of this in this much time. आपकी 3 release निकल चुकी है. हमारी film कहाँ है?
Yeah, that was my sentiment all over. Like, bhai, ye kabhi aayega.
Yeah. In conclusion, it was a blessing and a curse in that it started my career and a lot of people's careers, but it's also the best thing we've ever done. You know what I mean? And so to kind of with film one come out that strong for a lot of people, and then everything is kind of compared to
that, yeah.
like I remember when Gogoa Gone came out, I was like, oh thank God, I have another one. You know, in the same kind of realm of experimentation, because it's a tough act to follow, man.
It gave
Can't
all of us a
complain,
career. Fabulously done. So yeah, so if you all have, everybody's enjoyed this, then let's call it a wrap, man.
Yeah. So if you like what you saw, please like, share, subscribe to Amir Khan Talkies, and if you don't, you are a bad person.
And Amir will come after you.
Yeah.
He knows where you live.
I buy that.
Hey, I know that.
Yeah, he knows where 3 of us live anyway, so that's for
Correct.
sure.